We're really interested in you making money. That's why we created this website, valucopglobal.com. Since 2019 to date, we have track records with testimonials to back them up to show that you can make money what you know, even if you are clueless at the first point. We have a growing community who we teach how to make money what they know, and from different kind of sources, especially crypto job class. We have a crypto job class that shows how to make money from crypto jobs. Now, we created this website so that you will never ever ever have a reason to say that you are without money, because there are tons of money opportunities online, very legit opportunities. So let's say now that you typed in the website valucopglobal.com, and then you open it on your phone and you saw this website showing all of this, and you scroll down and start seeing our courses, and our courses, and then you were like, oh wow, I want to take the crypto job course. You click on enroll now. When you click on enroll now, it's going to take you to the page, the course content page, and then you click on take this course. It takes you to the sales page, and then you click on add to cart. When you click on add to cart, the next thing you will see view cart. You click on view cart, and it takes you here. When you click on proceed to checkout, it will not take you to login. Now, the reason why it brings you back to login is because you've not created an account yet on our website. Remember, our website is an e-learning website, so we want you to be part of our growing community. So you need to create an account so that we can offer our long time support to you. So you click on login. Now look at now. You're a first timer to this website. It means that we don't have your details yet. So you scroll down and you see register. You see register, and then you click on register an account. It brings you here. You go to sign up. You put your email address, your first name, your last name, your password, your confirm password, and you click I accept terms and services. And then when you're done, it takes you back to complete your purchase. Easy peasy. Now let's do it. So let's go with let me see. Okay, I'm taking out my email address to use. Let's do Okoroji Daniel 16. Do Daniel Okoroji. Password. Let's use password is suggested, and then we'll accept and click sign up. So it's signing you up. Yeah, so it has signed you up already. Now let's log in. So we now sign in. Because it has signed me up, I can now sign in and complete my purchase. So in order to do this, now that I'm now signed in, this is now your back end. I cannot go under my orders. Let me see if I have any pending order there. So these are my orders. I've not done any I've not done any at all. So what do? I go back and enroll. I'm not enrolled yet. I click on take this course, and I click on add to cart. Okay, so my cart is already filled. Remember, my cart is already filled. So what do? So it takes me back there again. I can now proceed. It's not showing me now that I have two courses. I have to remove one, unless I want to pay for the both of them. So I don't want this, so I remove it from my cart. So it's updating. I just want only one course, and it's updating. So I go to proceed to checkout, and it's the details. You fill all these details, you decide to now choose to make payments with this or this. Now payment is, if you're going with any of these options, if you're paying with this, or rave if you're paying with this. So you can now click place order, and then you make your payment with your card or whichever choice of payment you want to do. So it's very simple. Getting started on our website is very simple. It might seem like a long process, but it's not, because it's the first time it feels like a long process. But remember, something that is worth it is worth 5 minutes of your time. This won't take you up to 5 minutes. Alright? So if you have any other questions, we are here to guide you, and we're here to give you long-term support throughout your course period. You have questions, we have community support for that. And don't forget to use this WhatsApp button here. It's going to lead you straight up to WhatsApp, and then you can ask us your questions directly, and you'll get personalized answers. So this is it. I hope this was simple enough for you. Remember, it's value first with Valucop. We are your favorite value delivery strategists. We teach you how to make money online legitimately with what you know.